My name is Barry Forgia, and I'm the Executive Director of International Relief Teams. International Relief Teams is an organization whose mission is to alleviate human suffering. And we do it in four major areas. One is disaster relief, both international and right here at home in the United States. We do a lot of medical training, which is another one of our core activities. We help improve the skills of doctors and nurses in developing countries so that they can provide better health care for their people. A third aspect of our work and one of our core activities is clinical and surgical outreach. That involves providing surgeries to the poor who live in remote regions of the world who do not have access to even the normal and general surgeries that most people have access to, either because of finances or because there's no doctors in the area with those specialties. And our fourth area of work is building healthy communities, and that's basically a public health type of work. We've had clean water and sanitation programs under that category. We've conducted food aid to areas that are suffering from drought and other weather-related conditions. We've also provided a lot of medicines throughout the world to hospitals that serve the poor. That's our Medicines for Children program. And we also help in special needs situations where there might be families, like in our own county in San Diego. We at Christmas time provide underserved families with food and other needed items. And then we're also starting a food program for homeless children, school children, so kids who go to school. We're starting a program in San Diego County for children who attend school but are homeless, and we're providing them with a backpack program, basically giving them and their family food for the weekend so that they can have adequate nutrition, because they do get the meals at the school for free during the week, but on weekends we don't know of their nutritional level, and we know that hungry kids don't learn. The partnership with USANA started when Elaine Pace contacted us and wanted to know more about our organization as a potential partner. And the first project that we did collaboratively was the Philippine floods that took place in August of this year. And that was a program in which, what happened there was that a series of tropical storms and typhoons hit the Philippines and basically flooded about 80% of Manila and the surrounding area. And that's our first involvement with USANA, in which they provided the funding by which we could respond to the disaster with medicines, with food, with rubber boots to protect infection of, there's a lot of disease and contaminated water, and so we provided boots for the children to keep them from getting them leptospirosis, which is a form of plague, basically. And we also got 1.4 million water purification tablets that we shipped over there. The key to a disaster is to have partners in country that you have existing relationships, and we were fortunate in the Philippines to have some existing relationships with partners so that we can immediately start responding. And what USANA provided us was the funding by which we could make an immediate response to the disaster. The way to donate to International Relief Teams is through our website. That's the easiest way, irteams.org. And there are many different programs that we have on there that you could apply your donation to.